Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Asingene nemechini eKaizer Chiefs versus Khukhune United, imatch enkulu because kudlala ama-teams ale phezulu kulokho. These two teams, both of them, they're still undefeated. So ngena ku-lineup, potential predicted lineup yeKaizer Chiefs. Obviously for mina laphana emuva kuzoba uPeterson, vele uye umuntu onama-clean sheets awu-5. I mean he's undefeated or unbeatable so far laphana ku-PSL. And then ku-left back kuzoba interesting because uMarco udlala kahle kakhulu. I would give it to uMarco. And then ku-right back obviously uThabiso Munyane bafethu udlala kahle kakhulu. Yeah, ku-back four, I mean like uMiguel usadlale kahle kakhulu, but it will be interesting to see ukuthi bazomphera noKwenika noMcCarthy. But-ke if I were to decide, I would say okay, start with uMiguel noMcCarthy, but uKwenika siyazi ukuthi uyi-warrior bafethu naye. And then laphana i-midfielder late-ke, but they trust uMthethwa as like i-wall laphana umuntu o-protector i-defense, because siyazi ukuthi i-match ngeke ibe lula. Badlala nabantu abane-experience kakhulu, nabantu abadlalayo strong, abane-experience enkulu ebholeni lase-South Africa, which is i-PSL. Abantu abaningi laphana kuSkhukhune United bake badlala kuma-big teams. So mawubheka badinga vele uMthethwa, bayamdinga leya aggression yakhe bayayidinga. And then into esiyibona ngomthethwa late, as of late, ukuthi uyawazi nokuya phambili. And then potentially-ke maybe ku-midfielder bangadlalisa Tisberg uNgcobo, and then babeke phambili as number 10 wabo uShabalala as number 10, like creative midfielder. I-striker-ke sabo will be interesting to see because they are spoilt of choice. I mean asazi ukuthi uSilva uzokwazi uqala igame, because ke expected ukuthi uSilva, because it was a big signing for them ukuthi aqala igame, but singamkhohlwa uDuba. But I'll give it to uDuba for now, and then uLilepo, and then kuzoba uModi esayidini. Gaston Sirino uzoqala, uzongena second half-ke yena sezolungisa la kumosheke khona. Or just abanike lo creative spark. But either way, menu Gaston Sirena angakwazi uqala igame abe highly influential, but sesimbonile a few times this season angena second half aba highly influential. So maybe coaches othi masimfaka second half uyakwazi ngempela ukuperforma. So they don't have i-pressure ukuthi bamdlalise or bamqalise igame, because bayamazi ukuthi uba still highly influential. Abanye abantu abangadlala, let's say from first second half from the bench, uVilakazi siyazi ukuthi bafethu njalo mengena ucreate something out of nothing. Umfana i-superstar, umfana uyalazi kakhulu futhi, and uyakwazi, like he's a good pass of the ball, uyakwazi u-anticipate ama-movement wama-teammate wakhe, akwazi ukuba phafisa kahle. Sibonile last game ukuthi ukwazile uconnecta noGaston Sirino. So uVilakazi noSirino bayakwazi ukuconnecta kahle inside the field of play, bakwazi ukudlalisana kahle. And then so yakuSkhukhune United, potential lineup yabo, Skhukhune United bafethu they are spoiled-ke bona in terms of like i-experience laphana esquadini sabo, because mawubheka kuSkhukhune United bano-goalkeeper laphana ama-international goalkeepers awu-3 bafethu. Ucabanga 3 international goalkeepers, khona ugoalkeeper yini leya country le, Equatorial Guinea, yes. And then khona ugoalkeeper omunye waseZambia. So la sinabo goalkeepers no Saphunga, and then sinalo munye-ke uNtsabatha, and then sinolina bafethu. So 3 international goalkeepers, but I'll give it to Lina ukuthi mhlawumbe uyongaqala imatch. But either way, noma kungaqala abantu bonke ama-international goalkeepers, but-ke laphana emuva sinokubona uNdlovu futhi seke wathola i-man of the match if angenza iphutha. And then-ke ayikunomfana-ke bafethu oyi-superstar laphana ku-left back, ulokhu njana uLitlapa, yes uLitlapa u-strong kakhulu umfethu. Yabona umuntu ozobadlala laphana ku-right wing, hayi usenkingeni, like kumele akwazi ukumisela aye all out, because it's not gonna be easy against uLitlapa. Siyazi ukuthi u-attract interest nase-Europe, ama-teams ambhekile or bambalwa abantu abambhekile laphana ukuthi angakwazi ukuya ku-European football, because udlala ibhola eli-serious, u-aggressive, and is a good pass of the ball. Uyakwazi ukushuta, i-ball control yakhe is close to perfection. Uqala ama-counter attack, umfana o-serious ngempela bafethu abangakwazi ukubenefitha ngaye kakhulu. So I mean laphana phambili ku-number 9 or striker sabo uGrobler, uGrobler uyakwazi ukuwashaya amagoli bafethu, over 100 goals ku-PSL era or ku-league nje kuphela. So umuntu ozoba i-threat, umuntu ku-Kaizer Chiefs omele ngempela bamgade bambheke, otherwise uzoba create ama-problem a-serious. Siyasazi iSkhukhune United sinaleyo aggression yabo. Mawubheka laphana bana Munari, uThabang Munari kowadlala i-Orlando Pirates nabo Bidvest Wits, I think i-right back if angenzi iphutha khona umuntu abathi uMatsimbi udlala i-right back u-aggressive ukwata igame yonke loya bhuti loyo. So I mean iplayer eli-aggressive eline-aggression, I think nabo baya-appreciate i-aggression yakhe, iplayer eliyimisela kakhulu egrawundini. And then kunomfana omusha-ke bafowethu ubani uTokolo. Tokolo umfana omusha already naye umfana unama-man of the match, u-aggressive, is a good mark of the ball, uyakwazi ngempela ukuyisiza i-team. Njengoba ba-consider lesi goals umfana ku-brave ngempela, uyakwazi ukudictate igame, ubaluleke kakhulu egemini yeSkhukhune United. So amaplayer maningi kakhulu amaplayer kumele bawabheke, but-ke the big one would be uKeletso Magaola. Yeah, i-star mfana. Yabona makukhulunywa nge-star, kukhulunywa cause already ku-PSL, last time I checked bekanama-5 assists already ku-PSL. So in terms of creator for i-team, uyakwazi ngempela ucreate ama-golden opportunities laba bangawa-converter or amanye vele amaningi bayawa-converter njengoba sibona ukuthi unama-assist amaningi. But-ke kunabo Khadoso laphana, kunabo Team. So maningi kakhulu ama-player-ke laphana anga-contribute kakhulu, kuzoya ngabo ukuthi bazodlalisa siphi starting line-up. But Kaizer Chiefs is not gonna be easy, but obviously Kaizer Chiefs ngiyayibona ine-upper hand kule game le. Why ngithi ine-upper hand Kaizer Chiefs? In terms of i-pedigree ne-skill ne-depth, Kaizer Chiefs ine-better squad compared to Skhukhune United. Skhukhune United they recruit good players all the time, especially the older guys abane-experience ku-PSL. But mangibheka overall, I mean uMako laphana ezi-right i-left back uhlakaniphe kakhulu, uyakwazi ukumakwa and then uyakwazi ukuqala ama-counter attacks, uyakwazi ukuya phambili. Umunyani laphana ku-right back. So uKaizer Chiefs mawubheka like bane-squad super powerful, yabo Gaston Sirino, even if ubuya ebhentshini uzokwazi ngempela ukungena contribute. Singamkhohlwa bafethu uFrosler, siyazi ukuthi asikamboni kakhulu this season, but simbonile egamini laphana ba-change umunyani bafaka yena washaya i-assist. So i-player ama-player Kaizer Chiefs, they can win i-game from the bench. They have won a couple of games from the bench. Gaston Sirino angena shaya spectacular, angena uGaston Sirino assist. So I mean like even nama-players amasha, amagoli-ke kuKaizer Chiefs abuya from everyone or everywhere. So ulo unegoli already uNdlovu. uSilva naye unegoli from the bench, uSirino. So mawubheka nje Kaizer Chiefs they win ama-matches amaningi from the bench, from ama-substitution waka-goalkeeper. So I think that will give them a confidence heading to this game. But singamkhohlwa umuntu ohlupha kakhulu kunabo bonke for mina at the moment uLilepho angakwazi ukuchange igame eKaizer Chiefs, adictate igame, amake sure ukuthi iSkhukhune United benza amaphutha abafana beSkhukhune United in terms of like i-aggression yakhe kumele kabalanda eshaya, because you never know uLilepho ushaya any given time. So you never know ngoba unpredictable ukuthi uzoshaya nini, uzolivala nini, and akasabi ukutake ama-players on, akasabi. But at times ngifila ngathi uLilepho like akumelanga ashaye njalo, kumele abe calculative, abheke ukuthi ushaya nini, ushaya kanjani, because at times thola ukuthi uyarush ukushaya but ama-players wakhe avulile. So mangacabanga bayazi ukuthi already uLilepho uzoshaya already, that is we've seen that. Okay, we can predict that to Lilepho vele siyamazi ukuthi uzoba nama-shots at goal let's say 3, amanye bayablock, amanye over the top, but mengazama ukuthi udlalela ukuthi okay ubheka ama-players wakhe isikhathi esiningi ufuna ukwa-assista, bazowathola ama-opportunities amaningi through Lilepho, because abantu bacabanga ukuthi uzokwenzani, uzoshaya, angashayi. But-ke ngithanda i-work rate kaLilepho, aggressive, like u-goal driven isikhathi esiningi uyaphambili. I think he can inspire so many guys laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi nabo baphushe. Yabona lapha esiswini, yeah, I think today singakwazi ukubona mhlampe ama-player lawa amasha angakatholi i-chance ukuthi adlale potentially ukuthi badlale abafana. But-ke sobona ukuthi uCoach Nabi uzomisa kanjani isquad sakhe, but kuzoba nzima kakhulu. I mean owinayo namhlanje uhlala ku-number 1 lena ku-Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs ifuna uku-maintaina ukuthi ayikakakora, ayikakashaywa, ifuna uku-maintaina lelo record. NeSkhukhune United ifuna uku-maintaina i-record layo ukuthi ayikakaluzi, but-ke they've conceded goals, but Kaizer Chiefs other hand abaka-concede. So let's just wait and see sibone bafethu kushoda kancane noma kusele kancane ukuthi siyibone le game enkulu kangaka. So far so good for Kaizer Chiefs. Will Skhukhune United score against Kaizer Chiefs, or maybe babanike defeat? Sobona, I think konke lokho soku-answera after i-game, or i-game yona izosinika ama-results. But-ke don't write off iSkhukhune United, banocoach one-experience kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa, all understandayo I mean kuleague already sebashaye i-Orlando Pirates ebhekiwe ukuthi nayo izokwazi ukugijimela potentially i-league noma ngithi i-Betway Premiership, so izobangwa lesi iMamelodi. It was just expected ukuthi i-Betway Premiership izobangwa iMamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates. Potentially lesi i-Stellenbosch neSkhukhune United bazoba khona ku-mix lesi number 3 number 4, but abantu abazoyibanga iMamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. But Kaizer Chiefs this time around ithi no, you didn't count us in, count us out, but guess what? We are ready to fight. We are ready to give everything that we have. We are leading. Nati, we still undefeated, and we have a better goal difference because they haven't conceded a single goal in 5 games. That's impressive for Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. But ngithi ngipredict i-game before ngiyivala. I think Kaizer Chiefs izowina because Kaizer Chiefs isikhathi esiningi scorela 1 because ba-defenda kahle. I think they will take this one 1-0. But Sekhukhune United, ngiyapredicta nje, but Sekhukhune United sizozama ukulwa ukuthi sikwazi ukuthola iwin against Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafethu.